Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 5 lesson number 2. Does he remember? As we have completed this whole chapter, we have completed page number 15, page number 16 and page number 17, page number 18. Today we will do the exercise on page number 19. Please open your page number 19. It's exercise. Let's start. Answer the following questions. First one is, what did Mike see when he arrived at the gate? And its answer is, when Mike arrived at the gate, he saw a sign that said, beware of dogs. ठीक है, this is the answer of question number A. Be aware of dogs. Question number B is, give 2 reasons why Mike did not climb over the gate, and its answer is, Mike did not climb over the gate because he knew that the sign might be true and because he was too old. This is the answer of question number B. Question number C is, had Mike been to the house before? How do we know? And its answer is, yes, Mike had been to the house before. We know because it says that he was, ये आप कॉमा में लिखेंगे, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में, thinking about all the occasions. ठीक है, he had visited this very here. दिस वेरी हियर तक आपने इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में लिखना है क्योंकि ये बुक के अंदर से पूरा फिक्रा लिया गया. थिंकिंग अबाउट ऑल द ओकेजन्स ही हैड विजिटेड दिस वेरी हियर वियर वेरी हाउस, HOUSE हाउस. ठीक है, एंड बिकॉज ही रिमेंबर्स नबील्स डॉग्स एज पपीज. ठीक है, उसको नबील के वो कुत्ते याद थे जब वो छोटे बच्चे थे. अब तो वो बड़े हो गए थे, जिस वक्त वो छोटे थे उस वक्त उसको ये याद था. ठीक है, इन 2 बातों की वजह से पता चलता है कि वो इस घर में पहले भी आ चुका था. ठीक है. What kind of room was Nabil sitting? And its answer is, Nabil was sitting in a large dark living room. This is the answer of question number D. Question number E, how did Marmaduke react to Mike? And its answer is, Marmaduke reacted angrily to Mike as soon as he smelled him. This is the answer of question number E. How did Mike leave the property? And its answer is, Mike left the property by running out and leaping over the gate. This is the answer of question number F. आज के लिए हम ये क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे. नेक्स्ट जो कि हमने ए से लेके अब तक सारे कर लिए हैं. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. अभी के लिए इतना ही होगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.